Hey guys, welcome back to Naughty Threads. In case you're new here, do subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. So in today's video, we'll quickly make a mask. So I have taken a plate here because I wanted this kind of round shape. So if you have a ring or plate, anything of your choice, somewhere around 24 to 26 centimeters diameter is what we need. So here I'm just taking 2 centimeters extra for seam allowance. So I'm going to trim it off in the same shape. So I just had this piece lying around in my workshop, so I'm just giving it a try on this fabric. So you can use any kind of fabric. So once you have the round piece, you will fold it into half like this and then into half. So place it like this, like you see in the video, and then mark 8 centimeters on one side and 4 centimeters on the other side. And then using the same plate, we'll mark that shape. Keep the plate such that it touches both the points. And then we will trim it off. So the remaining fabric, instead of throwing it away, you can make another mask and it might fit any kid. So here I am cutting another piece because I will need two identical pieces. In case you don't want to use the main fabric for the back side, you can use a simple lining fabric as well. You can use some plain cotton fabric or uh, any material. So I'm just trying to transfer the shape. Once this is done, I'm going to cut it out. So here I have placed right facing right, and then we are going to stitch it like this. And once we have stitched, you will just press it using your nail so that the stitches are open, and this is how we will place the mask. So once we have neatly opened and pressed the stitches, we will start stitching the other side. So the first long side we will stitch the complete length, but the second side we will leave about 1 to 2 inches gap so that it is easier for us to reverse the mask. So here I've left about 1.5 inch, just trimming off the corners to give it a good shape. So now from that gap we will reverse the mask. So the right side will be out now. It's a very simple pattern. You guys can stitch it for yourself or for anybody at home using some fabric that is lying around. So once this is done, we will give an edge stitch so that the opening that we left to reverse the mask is concealed. So while doing this step, make sure the seam allowance is neatly placed on one side. So here we have this 1/4 inch elastic. I've taken about 6 inches long, and this is how we are going to stitch it. So once we attach the elastic on either sides, our mask is ready. So whenever you pick up a mask from roadside or any fabric mask, it is always good to wash it, sterilize it in Dettol once and then use it instead of just directly using it. So this looks really neat. The pattern is extremely simple. If you use a smaller plate, then the size is apt for kids. If you use a plate around which has around 26 centimeters diameter, then it will fit an adult. So a little bit of plus and minus, you can play around and then do different sizes of mask. Instead of spending money and buying the mask from outside, you can stitch your own mask sitting at home. So here our mask is ready. Now we are going to iron it. So once we iron it, it is ready. So it has this nice shape. I really liked. It's very comfortable to wear. So guys, in case you like this video, do hit the like button, share our videos with your friends. I shall see you guys soon with more interesting stuff. Until then, take care. Bye bye.